In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a private channel on Slack. Whether you need a secluded space for sensitive team discussions or a dedicated zone for specific projects, creating a private channel is a fantastic way to keep conversations focused and secure. Let's dive right in and see how you can do this seamlessly. Start off by directing your attention to the left sidebar of your Slack window. Here, you'll find a heading labeled Channels. It's your gateway to creating and managing conversations. Right next to the word Channels, there's a handy little plus sign. This is your tool for creating new discussions, so go ahead and click that plus sign to get started. Once you click the plus icon, you'll see a drop-down menu appear. From this menu, select Create Channel. This is your pathway into setting up a brand new conversation space on Slack. As you move forward, you'll be prompted to enter some basic details about your channel. First, you'll need a name. Choose something concise and relevant, and remember to stick with lowercase letters, like Project Alpha Internal. Slack will automatically add a hashtag in front of it, giving it that familiar Slack channel look. Adding a description is optional but recommended. It's a great way to clarify the channel's purpose to anyone who joins in later or is deciding whether or not to join. Now comes a critical step: setting your channel's visibility to private. This ensures only selected members can join and view the conversations happening within. You should see an option to make your channel private, usually a checkbox or a toggle switch. Click it, and notice that a lock icon will appear. This lock icon is an assurance that your channel has been successfully designated as private. Once you're satisfied with your settings and double-checked everything, it's time to finalize the setup by clicking the Create button. This will establish your new private channel, ready to host discussions. The last step in the process is inviting team members. As soon as your channel is created, a new window will prompt you to invite people to join it. Begin typing the names of the workspace members you wish to include. Slack will generate a list, making it easy for you to select the right team members. Once you've made your selections, click the Add button to formally invite them to your newly created private channel. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully created a private space within Slack for your team's confidential conversations or specialized projects. Keep this process in mind for when you need to set up other private channels in the future. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful Slack tips and tutorials.